Hello students, this is 4th class English notes Farmer and his friends lesson. Speak, read and answer orally. First one, Hanumanta's family had. Answer is A, 4 members. Second one, the number of animals Hanumanta reared was B, 6. Third one, by selling wool and milk, Hanumanta could get some money. Answer is B, some money. Write answers for the following questions. First one, Hanumanta asked the sheep to call him. Answer is friend. C, friend. Second one, the sheep wanted Hanumanta to shed the wool. Third one, Hanumanta sold the wool and milk and bought. Answer is C, an ox. Fun with words. A. Look at the pictures, fill in the blanks with the missing letters. One is done for you. Pony, pony. Village, village. Money, money. market. Grass. Soil. Chickens. Monkey. Worker. Main B. The names of some animals are hidden in the grid. Circle them, one is done for you. Read down and across. lion, ox, cock, tiger, dog, cow, bear, horse, fish, crocodile. Write well. Main A. Read the pictures. Use a or an in the blanks. Use an before the sounds A, E, I, O, U. One is done for you. It is raining. Ratna is carrying an umbrella. First one. It is a lovely place. There is a lake. Can you see an old house near the lake? Second one. We walked through a forest. It was not an easy walk. Suresh saw an elephant. He took a picture of it. Fourth one. It was a cold day. I wore a sweater. Main B. There are some words in the red basket. You and your friend will pick words from it and put them in the green basket. Add a or an before you put them in the green basket. One is done for you. in green basket. An 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 animal, an offspring, an earthworm, a pig, a well, a seed, an insect, a bone, an acre. Practice speech. Main A. Read the pictures and say what Kapanna and his wife are doing. You may use the words given. Kempanna is ploughing the land. Kempanna and his wife are planting the saplings. Kempanna and his wife are removing the weeds. Kempanna and his wife are harvesting the grain. Kempanna is binding the crop. Kempanna and his wife are beating the crop. Kempanna's wife is winnowing the crop. Write more. Main A. In the given story, each blank has a picture. Study the picture and write the correct word to complete the story. One day, Tarun was walking in his field. Suddenly, a snake appeared before him. He got frightened. He He began to running. He ran and ran. Then he climbed up a tree. The cobra waited for some time. It slowly crawled away. Tarun saw down. He felt relieved. He jumped down and went home. Fun. Read the riddles and find the answers. First one, I am in the vegetable group. I grow under the ground. I can be eaten raw or cooked. I help keep eyes healthy. I am orange in color. Who am I? Answer is carrot. Second one, I am in the fruit group. I am a type of citrus fruit. You can squeeze me to make juice. I am the same color as my name. Who am I? Answer is orange. Third one, I am green or red. I am spicy and hot. I am in the vegetable group. I begin with the letter C. Who am I? Chili.